program with the Philippines and Korea. Because long time ago, ay talagang masyado ng tight talaga yung relationship ng dalawa. Nagsimula pa yung Korean yan sa'yo. So halimbawa, you say, thank you in Korea, you say, 감사합니다. 감사합니다.
History, as they clear with primaries and process. Just a tale of usually just a
There are many second power. They are also often considered regarding the spirit and use authority for the injustice. The second one is on. Goes someone with constitute, mother, and daughter. The third one is weak.
Ang
His son
i-discuss nila yung apat.
A little dry feeling and right. The dry feeling covered and was the right covered and other than time.
So, my place in Korea, when I stayed there, it's near the Lotte World. That's why when you show us the Lotte World, I am sharing time when I stayed there, October to December 2013. So I usually walk inside the... Thank you very much again to our Korean students. 감사합니다. Now,